Welcome to the Interactive Commerce Control List tool on BIS.gov. This interactive tool pulls regulatory text directly from Supplement Number 1 to Part 774 of the EAR from the Electronic Code of Federal Regulations and is refreshed hourly. During our research into how exporters use the BIS website to apply for licenses, many users described how vital the Commerce Control List is to complying with the EAR, and also how challenging classification can be. We began exploring ways we could improve this experience on the BIS website. This interactive tool allows users to filter by category and keyword to find export control classification numbers, ECCNs, efficiently. When opening this tool, you will land on the default All Categories view. In this view, you can review all ECCNs within the entire CCL broken up by their categories. Clicking Hide will hide an entire category of ECCNs, and clicking Show will reopen and show those ECCNs. To search for a specific keyword in the entire CCL, click into the search box and type your keyword. Click the search icon to review search results associated with your keyword. If the keyword is found in the ECCN title, it will be highlighted. If the keyword is found in the ECCN subparagraphs, it will not be highlighted. To clear your search, click the X icon within the search box. To navigate to a specific category view, click on the Select a Category box and choose the category you'd like to review. On this category-specific view, you can scroll through all ECCNs associated with this category. If you would like to view specific product groups within this category, click Hide in the product group bar to hide that specific group. To show those hidden product groups, click Show. To see subparagraph information for a specific ECCN, click on the icon in the ECCN title to expand that ECCN. If you would like to see all ECCNs expanded with their subparagraph information visible, click the Expand All ECCNs button. To collapse all subparagraph information, click the Collapse All ECCNs button. To search for a specific keyword in the category you are viewing, click into the search box and type your keyword. Click the search icon to review search results associated with your keyword. If the keyword is found in the ECCN title, it will be highlighted. If the keyword is found in the ECCN subparagraphs, it will not be highlighted. To clear your search, click the X icon within the search box. We're excited for you to try it out and provide feedback on future improvements we can make to ensure commonly used supplements are user-friendly and consumable by all. This is the first iteration of the Interactive Commerce Control List tool. As you interact with this page and find yourself thinking about additional features that would improve your experience, please share with the BIS website team. You can contact us at biswebsiteteam@bis.doc.gov.